Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we have discussed, if you remember, bullish context here, which is based on the changing of the trend direction and appearing of the bullish pattern right here. But the necessary condition, vital condition to keep it on the bullish side, market should not drop too low. So we have used and decided to use the 108.60 area as some kind of the line between the normal perfect context for the bullish scenario and context that makes overall scenario weaker or even will cancel it. So and currently for a second session in a row, market keeps the bullish context here. Today we get the European Central Bank meeting, and all eyes will be on the comments from the Christine Lagarde. Particularly speaking, it's no surprises that European Central Bank will cut rate today, so this is obvious. Actually already priced in for a long time in the current rate. But more important will be what she will tell about the next step. Currently major consensus is that probably the ECB will take the pause in the rate cutting. So it will be June, then it will be pause, and next cut will be somewhere in September or even later. And now it will depend on what she will say. Maybe even if she will not say anything about the possible rate cut, if comments will be more or less dovish from her side or vice versa, so it will make some impact on euro. Particularly speaking, postponing of the rate cut could support euro currency in the short term, because as you know, on the dollar side, in the economy of the United States, numbers are getting weaker and chances on rate cuts are rising. So particularly speaking, we're watching on the July. So besides, if we take a look at the performance of the 10-year bonds, you could see what has happened. This is yield on the 10-year bond. It's already dropping to 4.3, and well, actually this is also important. From that standpoint, I would say that currently the context that we were discussing yesterday is still valid. I do not see any problems with it by far. Grabber mostly is also valid. Yes, we see here is minor lower shadow of this session, but in general it stands in the same level. On the 4-hour time frame chart, pattern that we were discussing also stands in place. I do not see any problems. Market is still calling around the same area that we have mentioned. It's too early to make the conclusion that this probably is failed and market is trying to the bearish action. Besides, on hourly chart, as you could see, you could recognize some kind of the, sorry, not on the hourly chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here you could recognize the kind of the bullish dynamic pressure. So we could see the trend goes down on the MACD, but price action is not, mostly stands flat. That might be the consolidation before upward continuation. On the hourly chart, you could see what's happening. So here's, you could, well, treat it as a widening triangle, or I would personally see here two moments. First is a divergence that we have on the hourly chart, which is a bullish divergence here. It's actually already has reached the minimum target, but still this was a divergence. And second, take a look, you could recognize here a kind of the hand shoulder shape. So particularly speaking, we're returning back to discussion that we have made yesterday. So we said just watch for this possible action, consider possible taking a long position with the possible upper breakout with this minor retracement inside of this consolidation. I don't see any reasons to change the stop placement order, so it should be, as we said, below the confluence area. So everything mostly stands the same, and I think that we need to see what will happen on the European Central Bank meeting today. For now, it seems that euro still has chances to show the upward continuation, but unfortunately it not totally depends on the technical picture. Here, this obviously we have the external factor from the Christine Lagarde comments, and tomorrow it's also will be from the payrolls report. So this is really risk factors that we have currently. But by technical picture, it seems that nothing lost yet, so everything is possible.